Hello there, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to use some AI tool. You know, recently AI has come to stay, and a lot of people are afraid, especially a lot of designers, a lot of creatives. They are afraid that AI is going to replace them. So the good news is AI will not replace you. Like, it won't replace anyone, but it will only replace people that are not using AI. Let me come again. AI will not replace anyone, but it will replace people without AI. For instance, now you are a creative, you are a copywriter, you are a graphic designer, you are a businesswoman, and you are doing your business, you are doing your graphic designing, your copywriting without AI in the past. But now AI is here. So as someone who know what he or she is doing, the best thing is for you to at least learn the basic. Okay, which AI can I use for my business? So let me narrow it down to graphic designing. Okay, which AI can I use to enhance my work? Which AI can I use to do this and do that? So briefly, I want to show you how to use chatgpt to generate content, to generate ideas as a graphic designer. So go to your browser, Chrome or Google, anyone, chat GPT. Okay, on it. So here we are. How can I help you today? Now it depends on what you want to do. Do you understand? It depends on what you want to do. Now let me say I'm a graphic designer. I want to generate a brief. Let's generate a brief. Like, give me a brief for social media design. Let's say I want to practice and I need a brief. Brief is information that you need to put into your design to work with. So let's say I'm less busy as a graphic designer. I want to practice. So, and I cannot even think straight of something to put together. So just tell AI to give you a brief for social media design. It depends. I said earlier that it depends on what you're working on. So let's see. And it's giving us the wrong thing because I love this. So at least I'll use this one to explain better. It's giving us the wrong thing because I did not write it clearly. I said you give me no. This is not what I mean. But what it brought is useful. Let's read what it brought. It brought something like when designing for social media, visual consistency, branding elements, stuff. I don't want this video to be too long, but this is what is brought is a very good content. Maybe I'll go back to it later. Now, let me rewrite the prompt. I am a graphic designer. Give me a brief. Give me a design brief for social media design. Let's see. Yes, I love this. Certainly, here is a sample brief, design brief for a social media project. Design project. Project title: Social media graphics campaign. Client name: you don't have a client. Objective: curate a visually engaging social media graphics campaign to promote, for instance, let's say to promote food, like food brand. So you put the name of the brand. The goal is to increase brand awareness, drive engagement and encourage audience interaction. Now, this design that you want to do, you experience this kind of thing when you're working with the client. So this kind of design, they want to promote the brand awareness. The design must be a design that, they are not selling anything actually. They're not selling anything. So it's not selling, it's not come and buy, patronize us flyer. It's brand awareness. So it must be attractive. That will draw people towards the brand, target audience. Primarily demographic details with interest related to, aim to appeal to both existing followers and potential followers. You can just get yourself an audience. Maybe, if it is food, everybody loves to eat food now. If it is something for women, the target audience will be women. If it is for men, do you understand? Brand guidelines. Adhere to established brand guidelines provided by clients. This includes the approved color palettes, fonts, logo usage, and any specific. So, key message. Now, the key message is they want brand awareness. So, that's the message. Design specification. They want to use it for Facebook, Instagram. So, we can go all along like that. Call to action. Integrate clear and compelling CTA to encourage audience interaction, such as visiting the website, participating in a contest, or sharing the post. We said it is for brand awareness, so you can actually ask people to share the post. You can include the CTA like share this post, like and comment. So, this is an example of a clear brief. As a graphic designer, you can come across this kind of things. Your clients will just send it to you, and you have to read it, understand what they want. It's not just like, I want flyer for my business. It's not just like I want flyer for my business. Like, no. This is there is a professional brief telling you all what your clients are expecting from you. So that is, I would have loved to, to ask to search another thing, but the time is not by our side. I don't want the video to be too long, so I will not bore you. Like, you won't be getting confused. So you can, even if you need a content, like you need a content of something, or you can just say, you can ask ChatGPT almost anything. But if it is for content, it is AI. So if it is for content, let's say you are asking ChatGPT about sales, sales and marketing, social media marketing. What is social media marketing? I want to explain something briefly. Now, it will bring a lot of things about social media marketing. Like, is a digital marketing strategy that involves curating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve marketing and branding goals. The primary objective of social media marketing include increasing brand awareness, like that. Key elements: audience engagement, social advertising, analytics and insights, like that. Now, what I wanted to say is, you can't just come to chat GPT, what is social media marketing, then you copy and go and paste on your wall. No, it is not done like that though, because this is AI. You know, as a business owner that provides service or products or sell products, you have your own tone. You have your own way of interacting with your people, like with your community people, on social media or on Facebook. Like, we have the way we write our content. Like, maybe maybe it is educational content, jovial, all those stuffs. Like, the way your style of writing. Yes, your style of writing. So you can't just copy this one and go and drop it there. You have to copy, like, get inspiration from this, edit, and fashion it to your own taste. That will be humane. Like, it will have human tone, human touch, not just all this one. So it will be lively. You bring it to life. But at least ChatGPT will give you good content that you can twist to your own to your own taste. Bye. So explore, explore.